tuning in. Today we have a gorgeous Harley-Davidson Dyna Trike conversion up for sale. For the full information on this motorcycle, Trike, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. 27,169 on the odometer. Runs fantastic, sounds great. Those big radius pipes sound awesome. Dark red metallic paint, burgundy maybe you call it, wine. Very nice Trike conversion body kit with rear storage area. Lots of extras and add-ons. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Thanks for watching. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.